Namaste, welcome to Dab for Do. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert this plain and simple blouse into the current trend one, which you can always come back and remove. So this is the sari which has a maroon body and a mustard yellow border. So this is a simple plain blouse which we have. So let's convert this. For this, what I have done is I have used the maroon fabric of around 1.5 inches, which I have cut as a bias for this. So what I will do is I'll just fold it into half, where we would get little less than 1 inch, and make a bias folding out of it and reverse it as shown in the video, so that we will get around 1 inch of neat fabric. If you wish, you can iron this also, and we will just make little frills out of it. So you need to take 3 times more than the measurements which you need. Okay, so this is how I have sewed it on the sewing machine, making frills of this. This you can use for the neck, the hands. Just with simple one stitch I will attach this to the sleeves portion, as you can see. Later, if you don't want, if this trend is not there, you can always remove this. And for the neck I am showing a different pattern. If you wish, you can continue the frills here, or you can do this vice versa also. So this is how, just with one stitch, I have added this bias to it. So now we will just do a little fold here, add golden beads for that beautiful pattern on the neck. So I am just, if you observe, taking the thread as well on the attached fabric and not on the original fabric of the blouse. So just add a bead, do a running stitch, and gather all the fabric and secure the knot. That's it. It is that simple, and you will have a curvy pattern on the back. So all over the neck I have continued. I hope if you're liking it, please hit the thumbs up button. This is how simple it is. And to continue with the neckline, I am adding the golden beads, small 1 mm or 4 mm, as you, whatever the beads. You can add pearls also. Just wherever the frill is there, I'm just adding the top golden beads to enhance the look. See, this is how beautiful the pattern has turned out to be. If you wish to change the pattern later also, you can just remove that thread and your blouse would be same as previous one. So now for the palla, so I have cut and picoed it. So this fabric I have retained. You can use normal lace also, or as shown in the video, you can just fold and create a strip. I'm using this because it will be of a same length, and we can attach this. So I am having the maroon fabric which matches the body of this. So cotton, silk, or little shiny material, anything which you have, and make 2 circulars. I'm used here the zigzag cutter. You can use normal scissor also and make the circle, and just adding one simple gold bead, so which goes with all the blouse, and that I will show it to you in detail in the next clip. I have added these flowers. You can contrast the fabric also. I didn't had the mustard color fabric. If it were, it would have been even more beautiful. So just fold it into half, again half, and secure it at the center. Add a simple bead, and at around 1 inches gap, just sew it. I've made another floral fabric latkans also for another sari, which I would link in the description or in the I button. You can watch that also. So this is that simple to make these beautiful latkans for your saris palla, and they will be dazzling beautifully if you want. And later, if you don't like, if you want to add something else also, you can always go back and remove this. So this is how our lace is ready for the palla. So just I will attach it on the wrong side with the normal sewing machine. So just one simple line and that's it, our palla is also ready. This is how you can quickly convert your simple plain sari and blouse into something which is going in trend currently. So I hope you enjoyed this idea of converting the plain sari and blouse into this beautiful latkans and designer blouse. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.